Hello and good evening. Welcome to a spreadsheet Excel called Financial Leverage. This will fully explain all the effects of going on in financial leverage, interest rates, sales, assets, liabilities, interests and taxes, net incomes, weighted average costs of income, a capital costs of income, and the net wages. So to start off, I need to calculate the missing figures of the interest rate on debt. Enter decimal. This will require an if statement. (14.00%). Well, the other answer is 18.000%. The increase is 4% per 1 year if debt ratio increases. As you see, it goes up to 14, up to 18%. That's very good. So next one is the sale. It's between €5,000 and €50,000. Right, so that's very good. So let's scroll down. So given that fixed costs, enter the number. The input is €6,800. Here are the model producers of the following input. Input earnings of cash, receivables, inventories, plant net, equipment net. Now I have to calculate the total amount of assets. So all these are together, and the answer is €10,000. €10,000 for the other two answers. So that's very good. Yeah, you see, total liabilities is missing. There's no answers input. Stock €10 and total liabilities and equity. So now I have to calculate them. So how to calculate total liabilities? Simply it's equals B21 multiplied by B4. So here's how you do that. So total assets multiplied by the debt, enter decimal. €2,000. Okay, stock €2. Total assets minus total liabilities. Okay, total liabilities and equity. So now I'm going to go down to the sales section. I need to calculate the variable costs percentage sales. So variable cost ratio, enter decimal, multiplied by sales. Now let's calculate and find the total costs. Calculate the earnings before interest and taxes. Okay, next one is the less interest. €200. Okay, earnings before taxes. So that's it for now. So a few more sum tables left to calculate for the finish of the financial leverage. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you all very soon. Wash your hands, stay safe, and have a good, pleasant evening. So thank you all for watching this, and see you all very soon. And have a great evening. Adios.